Alright, let's get started. I've given you a link in the resources section to download the Excel data that we'll be working with, or you can directly download the file. I've even attached the file to the resources folder of this particular lesson. This is a sample dataset from Microsoft, and we'll be using it throughout this course so you can follow along with me. So, go ahead and click the link. Once you do, it will open up Microsoft's official page. From there, just download the file. The file name is Financial Sample. After downloading, you'll find it in your downloads folder, or you can save it to any folder you like for quick access. Now, let's open the file together. Inside, you'll see the data is already in table format and the table name is financial. This is really helpful because when your data is in a table, Power BI recognizes it easily. Even better, if the data changes later, Power BI will automatically update everything the next time you hit refresh. That way, your report always stay up to date. Now, let's quickly look at what's inside the Excel sheet. Segment, country, product, discount band, units sold, manufacturer, sales price, gross sales, discounts, sales, COGS, that is cost of goods sold, profit, date, month, month name, year. So, as you can see, this dataset is mainly about sales information. It shows us things like how sales are happening in different segments, in which countries, what kind of products were sold, and how many units got sold. We also have details about manufacturer costs, gross sales, discounts, and profit. That's why this data set is perfect for our course. It's detailed, but also simple enough to help us build powerful visualization and tell a clear story to our boss, because now boss have asked for some requirements, isn't it? We have seen it in the previous course. And here's a little preview. This is the Power BI report we'll be building together as we go. We'll learn step by step how to create different types of visualizations. So let's dive in and get started.